Are you tired of spending your days dealing with everyday inconveniences? What if I told you that 2026 has brought a whole new set of smart gadgets that can revolutionize your life at home and beyond? These tech wonders aren't just for the future. They're here today, ready to make your life smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. In this video, we're diving into the top 8 smart gadgets that will make your life easier at home and outside. Whether you're looking for home automation, a smarter way to keep track of your health, or gadgets that add fun to your outdoor activities, we've got something for you. So, let's jump in and explore how these cutting-edge devices can help you take your home and lifestyle to the next level. 1. Blueair Health Protect 7470i Air Purifier. The Blueair Health Protect 7470i isn't just another air purifier. It's an intelligent device designed to actively improve the air quality in your home. In 2026, clean air is more important than ever, especially with rising pollution levels in many cities. This purifier doesn't just clean the air, it monitors the quality in real time, making sure that you're always breathing safe, fresh air. Its advanced filtration system captures a wide range of harmful particles from fine dust to smoke and gases, ensuring that your family and pets are protected. What sets it apart is the smart technology behind it. The Blueair Health Protect 7470i can sync with your phone and even work with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to control and monitor the air quality in your home with ease. Whether you suffer from allergies or just want to ensure your home's air is as clean as possible, this gadget is a must-have. It's especially beneficial for urban dwellers where pollution is a constant issue. 2. Amazon Echo Show 5 3rd Gen Smart Display. Looking for a device that helps you organize your day without lifting a finger? The Amazon Echo Show 5 3rd Gen is your virtual assistant that does more than just answer questions. With a compact, touch-friendly display, you can easily manage your calendar, stream music, check the weather, and even make video calls to family members. The best part? It integrates seamlessly with your smart home, allowing you to control lights, thermostats, security cameras, and more with simple voice commands. Imagine managing your home, work tasks, and entertainment all in one place with a device that fits comfortably in any room. This smart display is a game changer for those looking to stay connected and organized, whether you're managing your morning routine or keeping up with family and work. 3. Acra Smart Lock U400. Say goodbye to fumbling with keys. The Acra Smart Lock U400 is one of the most advanced smart locks of 2026. With its ultra-wideband UWB presence detection, it automatically unlocks the door as you approach. No more digging in your bag for keys or worrying about losing them. It integrates seamlessly with your smart home system, making it perfect for those who have Apple Home Key, Google Home, or Alexa setups. Imagine coming home after a long day and having your door unlock as you walk up to it, all while ensuring your home remains secure with top-notch technology. This lock offers not only convenience, but also peace of mind, as it ensures that your home is both easy to enter and highly secure at the same time. 4. Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Gen. Want a smarter way to keep your home comfortable while saving energy? The Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Gen is the perfect gadget for managing your home's temperature without any hassle. This thermostat learns your schedule and preferences, adjusting the temperature automatically to fit your daily routine. Whether you're at home or away, it ensures your home stays at the perfect temperature while also cutting down on energy costs. The remote control feature allows you to adjust settings from anywhere, which is great if you're coming home early or want to make sure your house isn't too hot or cold when you arrive. This energy-efficient device not only saves you money, but also makes managing your home's climate a seamless, intelligent process. It's a must-have for those who want to save on bills while maintaining ultimate comfort. 5. Flow by Moan Smart Water Shutoff System. Water leaks can be incredibly costly if not caught early, and that's where the Flow by Moan Smart Water Shutoff System comes in. This system monitors your home's water usage and can automatically shut off the water supply if it detects a leak or burst pipe. installed at your main water line, this gadget ensures that you don't have to worry about water damage when you're away from home or asleep. It also provides detailed notifications and allows you to monitor your home's water usage through an app, making it a perfect addition for anyone concerned about water conservation or home maintenance. With Flow by Moan, you get peace of mind knowing that your home is being protected from one of the most common and damaging issues, all while optimizing water usage. 6. Nintendo Switch OLED 2026 Sports Edition. Who says gaming can't be part of your active lifestyle? The Nintendo Switch OLED 2026 Sports Edition is here to revolutionize how we enjoy gaming on the go. Designed to keep up with your active outdoor life, this portable console features a vibrant OLED screen that brings your favorite games to life, whether you're at the park on vacation or relaxing in your backyard. The screen's rich, bright colors and deep contrast create an immersive gaming experience that's perfect for outdoor play. One of the standout features of this gaming console is its built-in Wi-Fi multiplayer functionality, allowing you to enjoy group gaming with friends and family wherever you are. Whether you're competing in a friendly match at a family gathering or joining forces with friends during a road trip, the Switch OLED brings people together for hours of fun. And don't worry about battery life. With its extended battery performance, you can play for hours without the constant need to charge. For anyone who loves mixing travel with gaming, the Nintendo Switch OLED 2026 Sports Edition is a must-have gadget to keep the fun going no matter where life takes you. It's the perfect gadget to combine relaxation and adventure. 7. Clix Power Keyboard Portable Smart Input. If you're someone who works on the go, the Clix Power Keyboard is the perfect addition to your tech arsenal. This compact, pocket-sized keyboard connects wirelessly to your smartphone, tablet, or even smart TVs, offering a comfortable typing experience that makes working from anywhere a breeze. But here's the real kicker. This keyboard also functions as a power bank, giving your devices an extra boost of energy when you're out and about. Whether you're typing emails, working on a project, or just writing messages, the Clix Power Keyboard helps you do it faster and more efficiently. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and set up wherever you need it, from the cafe to the airport. For remote workers or anyone who prefers using physical keys to on-screen typing, this accessory is a game changer. 8. SwitchBot Honoro H1 AI Household Robot. Meet the future of home assistants, the SwitchBot Honoro H1 AI Household Robot. This humanoid-inspired robot is designed to assist with real-world tasks like preparing coffee, washing windows, and even folding laundry. Unlike traditional robots that are limited to cleaning or simple chores, the Honoro H1 offers full house assistance, making it ideal for those looking to minimize daily chores. Equipped with advanced vision systems and articulated arms, it can interact with objects in your home, making it one of the most sophisticated household robots to date. It integrates seamlessly with other smart devices, forming an AI-powered ecosystem that can manage everything from your lights to your security system. The SwitchBot Honoro H1 is truly a glimpse into the future of home automation, allowing you to spend less time on chores and more time doing what you love. There you have it, 8 smart gadgets that are sure to make life easier both at home and outside. Whether you're looking for smarter security systems, better climate control, or innovative ways to stay entertained and productive, these gadgets bring the future to your doorstep today. From AI-powered household robots to the most intuitive smart thermostats and air purifiers, 2026 is undoubtedly the year of smart living. These gadgets do more than just provide convenience. They offer a more efficient, comfortable, and connected way of life. If you found this video helpful and are excited to make your life easier with these smart gadgets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Drop a comment below and let us know which gadget you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.